The next part of the review section is compare section. The thing that it does is to open another PowerPoint file simultaneously here. It shows the changes and you can add the changes from file 2 to file 1. Wherever you like. Now by the help of compare option, I open a file with a name of version 2 that I have already prepared. It will be opened in this file of PowerPoint, and the new options will not open for you. When I click on the merge option, the revision page will open for me. As you see, the new file of PowerPoint was not opened for me, and here it gives explanations. For example, what changes are in the first slide. When I click on insert, the slide that was in version 2 was added to my PowerPoint. Actually, the version 2 PowerPoint has just one slide, and it has been added to my slide. I have done this by the help of the compare section.